A rectangular prism has a base with an area of 200 centimeters squared. The volume of the prism is 3,000 centimeters cubed. What is the height of the prism? I know my volume equals base, big B, times H. And the big B means area of the base. My volume is big B times H. They tell me that my area of the base is 200. So it's 200 times H, and it tells me that my volume is 3,000. So I just plugged in the numbers. To solve this, I have to divide by 200. If I divide one side by 200, I have to divide the other side by 200. These 200s cancel out, so this is 3,000 divided by 200. 200 will go into 300 one time. $200 will go into 1,000 5 times. So my height is 15 centimeters. Use the figure below as an equation and plug in the given values in order to determine the area. The formula for a rectangle is base times height. Area equals base times height. And now I'm just going to plug in the values. Area equals, my base is unknown. My height is 9. So to solve for B, I am going to divide by 9 on both sides. The 9s cancel out, so B equals the area divided by 9. We're going to skip number 11. Here, use the figure below to write an equation and plug in the given values in order to determine the volume. Volume equals big B times H. I am going to plug in my values. Volume equals big B is 15 times 3. And my H. 15 times 3 is 45. So I have to get the H by itself. So I'm going to divide by 45. So volume equals volume divided by 45 is going to give me my height. The next one. Use the triangles at the right to answer the questions. Angle X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. This is the angle they're talking about. It corresponds with side length. If you remember, we look directly across. It corresponds with side length X, Z. I look directly across. Angle Z, X, Y. Z, X, Y. This angle. If I look directly across, this is the side it corresponds with. Y, Z. Angle Y, Z, X. Y, Z, X correspond with X, Y. Find the missing angle measures in each of the triangles below. What does a triangle equal? The interior angles of a triangle equal?
Area equals,
No. Our angles. When we add all of our angles together, what does it equal? 180. 180 degrees. So I need to find this missing angle. What is missing? I have to add these two. 8, 9, 10, 11. 121. 180 minus 121. So this is 59 degrees. When I add these two, I need to make sure I am lining my decimals up. Bring my decimals straight down. 9 plus 9 is 18. 7, 8, 9, 10. So is this my answer? What do I have to do? Subtract from 180 still. 180 minus 108 decimal 4. Making sure you are lining your decimals up. I have to add you need to add a 0 and a decimal. Ten minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 7. So my answer is 71 6/10. Forty plus 40 is 80. So 180 minus this 80 is 100. So this is 100 degrees. Longest angle. I'm going to look directly across from my longest side. You can even cover it. What angle is left? Angle P. If I look directly from my smallest side, you can cover it, and that is angle Q. I'm going to skip down to this one. This is 90 degrees. I look directly across from this. This is my side. M-O. This side. You cannot just put one letter. My shortest angle is right here. Directly across from it is O-N. Number 5. My longest side is 10. Directly across from 10 is angle J. Six is my smallest. Directly across from 6, opposite is angle L. My biggest side, 8, 6, and 4. 8. Directly across from it is angle U. Four is my smallest side. Directly across from it is angle S. 80, 60, 40. 80 is my biggest angle. Directly across from it, I'm looking for a side. It is side BC. My shortest angle is 40. Directly across from it is side BD. My biggest angle here is E. Directly across from it is GF. $30 is my smallest. Directly across from it is EF.